Flavor of our scallops and the sweetness of our watermelon, and of course the umami taste of our Kesong Puti, I'll be creating a delicious salad recipe which I call scallops with watermelon and Kesong Puti salad. Hello everyone, welcome to Quickfire. Nandito ako ngayon sa Ambassador in Paradise Resort, Boracay. Siyempre magluluto na naman ako ng isang napakasarap na recipe, and this one is called scallop with watermelon and Kesong Puti salad. So let's start cooking. We already have here our scallops, so we'll just sear it. Let's open our pan. Tapos lagyan natin ng olive oil just on our pan. So with our scallops, you could actually purchase it frozen or meron nga rin nabibili na fresh. And there are two parts, yung ating scallop, this edible part, this one. Tapos yung ating coral or yung kanyang shell or yung kanyang roe. So let's just season this with some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. And then let's season this with our Ajinomoto umami seasoning para mas maging malinamnam yung ating pagkain. And marami pa yung mga taong hindi sigurado what umami is. Umami is the fifth basic taste. So meron tayong sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. So ang ating umami is the fifth basic taste, or in other words, it's what you call malinamnam. There, so let's just make sure na lahat ito ay properly seasoned. Let's add some paprika for a little bit of heat or spice. Now let's mix this all together. So now, pag mainit ang ating pan, we are now ready to sear it. It's hot already. So just sear one side. So I'm not putting it all in kasi meron akong water dito. And so let's put it all. Mag-mix yung ating water with the oil. Tatagika tayo ng kasi bumalik yung mga kitchen accidents because of that. So maganda na dahan-dahan na lang. So once na mag-stir na ng white yung color ng ating scallops, diba kasi makita niyo sa medyo translucent pa sa pag naging opaque na siya, it's cooked already, you could now turn it to the other side. So let's just turn it to the other side. This one cooks very fast. At ang ating scallops has a very mild taste. So if ever na you're gonna be seasoning it, mabilis na ma-absorb yung lasa ng ating spice or herb. Pwede pa natin lagyan ng paprika. So it's cooked already, we can now lower the heat. Now I'll just prepare the plating. We have here our watermelon. Ka-slice na siya, naka-cube na. Ang ating watermelon, we can purchase it ng round or oblong. Meron din na may spots and yung stripes. And this one actually helps prevent inflammation. Tapos we have here our Kesong Puti. There's our Kesong Puti. So let's just also slice this into cubes. Siyempre dito available ang ating Kesong Puti at meron tayong quick tip from an avid Quickfire viewer. Sabi ni Dana Perez na ang ating Kesong Puti daw goes well or perfectly with hot pandesal. Tapos siyempre it is produced in Laguna, in Cebu, and in Bulacan. So let's just slice this. Okay, and then we'll make our dressing. So for the dressing, it's just very simple. All we need is olive oil. And then, our balsamic vinegar. Yan, ating balsamic vinegar naman, once you heat it, the more that you heat it, the sweeter it gets. Kaya mayroong mga ibang mga base na mga sauces, o kaya mga dressings na yung sweetened balsamic or reduced balsamic. Like this. We need our garlic. So let's just mince this. And mix it in together with our olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Okay, let's just mix this all together. Some salt and pepper. Here you go. You could use iodized salt, but I'm using rock salt. I like using rock salt kasi para siya mas Malasa talaga siya. Mas gusto ko yung alat ng rock salt. And then our pepper. There you go. So now, let's just mix this all together. Just taste. Okay, this is good. Perfect. So we're now ready to plate. Let me just get our salad plate. And of course, we have here our masculine. Ito, pag masculine, ito na yung different greens natin. So it's a combination of different kinds of lettuce. And 1 cup of masculine or dark greens, when you consume it daily, it helps prevent diabetes and of course lowers your blood pressure. So let's just mix this. Mix it all in our salad plate. Yeah, and of course, as you can notice, diba, ginagamit ko rin yung hands ko when tearing up our lettuce. Because it's always best to use your hands para hindi siya magkaroon ng brown spots when you tear it. There. Okay, and now let's get our scallops. Very excited to try this one. Pag nakakita kayo scallops, usually it's just color fake, but this one, since I added paprika, an additional kick to the flavor of our scallops. Just one more. Okay. Let me just arrange it. Let's just mix it all together. Syempre, one alternative to our scallops, like syempre if you find it a little bit on the pricey side, pwede rin kayo gumamit alternative, like, pwede kayo gumamit ng white fish if you like, tapos you just fry it, pag-fillet ng inyong fish, and then pwede rin naman mga squid balls, fish balls, pwede rin yun. Experiment on it lang, lagyan nyo lang din ng spice, like paprika. So, let's put our dressing. There you go. Our watermelon. Ayan. We have our watermelon. So, perfect to for like summer, mga snacks nyo, or like in between your meals or before eating. There we go. And our Kesong Puti. And there you have it. See, we have another delicious recipe. Napakadali lang gawin. All you have to do is learn how to experiment with flavor. Ang ating scallops with watermelon and Kesong Puti salad. Try ko na to, but before I do, I'd just like to invite everybody, if you want to get a copy of my recipe, please log on to wmn.ph or ajinomoto.com.ph, and if you have any quick tips that you would want to share with us, please email us at quickfire@gmailnetwork.com. Scallop recipes become even more flavorful with Ajinomoto umami seasoning. Try this recipe at home. I'm sure that everybody will enjoy this. Like I said, you can always experiment and change the scallops into fish balls, squid balls, and I'm sure that talagang lahat ay magugustuhan to. For more recipes and tips, join me again next time. Only here on Quickfire, your 10-minute tips and wonders. I'd like to thank Ajinomoto Umami Seasoning, Ambassador in Paradise Resort, Station 1, Beachfront, Mr. Jupe and Mrs. Nikki Vandertap, Executive Chef Fortune Fulgar, Guest Relations Director Mr. Raymond Balapitan, True Value, Emerflex. Hello everyone! Nandito ako ngayon sa Ambassador in Paradise Resort in Furnes.